Paano kung walang retirement plan si private company? May matatanggap ba na retirement pay si employee? Answer, based sa research natin friends, may nabasa tayo, no? Article 302 of Labor Code. Nakasaad doon or nakasulat na in the absence of retirement plans ng company, basta po ang employee ay aged 60 to 65, then may 5 years service sa company, and then yung company is more than 10 employees, meron po siyang matatanggap na retirement pay. Yan po ang nabasa natin o napag-alaman natin sa research natin. So magkano din ang makukuha ni employee? Half of your basic salary sa company times number of years in service. Yan po ang matatanggap ninyo sa company. In the absence of retirement plan, sa employment contract ninyo or sa company policy, basta po pasok kayo sa requirement ng dalawa. Edad kayo na 60 or 65, then 5 years or more kayo sa company. Meron kayong matatanggap, sir and ma'am. Article 302 of Labor Code. Alright? Hope na nasagot natin ang question po. Keep watching my YouTube channel. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.